Good morning, Tracie's Place fam. Welcome to the vlog. If you are new, welcome. We are blessed over here at Tracie's Place, and if you subscribe and join the fam, you're going to be blessed too. So I am on my way to church. I'm on my way, it's Saturday, and I'm on my way to our marriage ministry, luncheon, bruncheon type of thing. I'm so excited about that. And then after that, the women are also having like our women's gathering. So we'll be talking about stuff. So this is going to be a special one. It's going to be a talk and something else, which we always have some kind of a talk. But this one, she said we're going to be talking about stuff we normally don't talk about. So I am so excited about that. So on my way to church this morning, I'm going to take you back a little bit. I was putting together patio furniture, y'all. My husband usually does it, but I hope y'all can hear me over this road noise. But my husband usually does all that stuff, but he has been so busy, and he's at a meeting right now. He had a game last night, so I said I think I can try to do that myself because I want to get my patio, decor together. So I was doing that. I started yesterday evening, and went on late into the night, and then because I was trying to film, and record and everything. And so a video will be coming out about how to put the patio furniture together in case you all want to purchase it. It's really nice. It's a nice set. But and got up this morning trying to finish it. I didn't get finished, but that's okay. I'm finished when I get home later on. And my husband will probably be home at that time. And if not, then that'll be okay, because I'm so close to being done. I was so upset this morning. I was like, I'm almost there. You know how you just want to check one thing off your list. So yeah, get over here. So yeah, just doing that. And I hate to always tell y'all we just busy, but we really are. And I try so hard, and I'm doing such a good job at it. I have more time now, so I'm arranging my schedule and everything, trying to, so I can be able to do more things for YouTube. And my little Instagram that went down, and TikTok, and what's the other, Facebook. And I haven't been putting as much into that. I'm a one-woman show, so I have to try to get things. Ooh, that was almost an accident. Have to get things arranged time-wise and get a balance in there. I'm going to have to try to get up earlier. I am feeling better. My diet, or our diet, me and my husband's on it, I have more energy. So before I had more brain fog, and was a little bit more lethargic and stuff. But since we have changed our diet back to see, even though I'm not doing a strict vegan diet right now, still the diet changes that I've made, and you all know I've eliminated some things, and like milk, and I haven't had milk in a long time. I'll never say I'm not going to drink it again, because when we go out of town, sometimes I do drink it. If I have a big breakfast and I just want some milk or something, if I just want some milk with my cookies, then I'm going to have it. But I have been drinking tea with my healthier chocolate chip cookies that I made. And I put a little bit of coconut milk in I'll have to show y'all that. But it tastes so good. I never ever thought I would not have to have milk with my chocolate chip cookies and, chocolate snacks and stuff like that. So I'm arranging my diet. I'm making my little snacks and chocolates healthier, going more towards dark chocolates and stuff, and healthier sugars like coconut sugar and not the white granulated sugar. So there are changes you can make to help you feel better during this menopause time, and I'll try to go over that more as time goes on as well. I try to tell y'all as much as I can, and the things that I do to help me, because I wanted to help somebody else. But anyway, I'm going to get on and get going with my festivities, and I'll see y'all a little later. I'll try to bring y'all along. So my husband had a meeting, and I just met him there. And we always have such a wonderful time. Oh, such a good time with our marriage ministry. So we had a light brunch, and we had quiche and fruit, muffins, bagels, juices, all that good stuff. And it was very good. So we then settled in for the conversation piece, and that was intimacy in marriage, making sex a mutual joy. Oh my goodness, very interesting topic, and we had a great discussion on it. So we always, talk, everybody participates, and if you don't want to, you don't have to. You can just listen. And then we played games. Then it was time for the women's ministry, and there was a lot of good food. Y'all saw the cupcakes, the muffins, the cakes, the treats, and the dips and finger foods. It was like game day type of snacks. And then we had lemonade, tea, all the fixings and flavors, and then a lot of fruit, y'all. So we rounded it out with something healthy. But we had a good talk as well. We talked about motherhood, being married, and a lot of different things. We also played games and just had a good time fellowshipping. Then I went to Old Time Pottery, and this was on another day. Old Time Pottery is going out of business, and the sale did not disappoint. Good finds. We then went to Mikazumel. We got something for a friend that was under the weather, so we got some good to cheer them up, and we had a good time eating with them. So this is next Saturday, and this past week I didn't pick up the camera because we put up the gazebo. But anyway, this is my little outfit of the day. A green top, tan shorts, and some brown flip-flops, and also my favorite purse. I've got to say this is one of my favorites. This Gucci Ophidia, a company, and I worked together a couple years ago, and they gifted this to me. And this is one thing I just really, really love. One of my favorite things. Love the colors. Hey guys, we are here at Dollar Tree looking for a couple of things for the patio under the gazebo. So I'm going to see what we can find here. We're going to go to a couple stores today. Really cute things here, but I'm just having trouble finding outdoor pillows for the sectionals that's coming. Well, TJ Maxx gave me nothing. So we're going to stop by Home Buys now and see if they have anything good. I absolutely love a good discount store. They have such great finds. And then we popped over to Lowe's to look for a ceiling fan for the gazebo. They look all the same. And after that, it was time to eat. We were so hungry. I have been wanting to go to Condado's for forever. And I've been hearing so much about it from friends and family, and we had to go today. There was one near us where we were. It was a nice atmosphere, but it was so cold in there. So we just looked at the menu, placed our order, and then once we got our food, we went in the car and ate. They had a great variety of tacos. I got 3 tacos, and my husband got 2 veggie type tacos, and then some tater tot. So good. All right, guys, so I am getting my fall stuff out a little bit later than the regular YouTuber, but this is just the time that I had to do it. We were so busy building the gazebo, putting it up, and then I was shopping for this and just, different stuff, getting the furniture and stuff. So this is what I have for the decor. And I'm so excited to put the gazebo together to decorate it. It's just like an outdoor oasis. So I'll be decorating for fall. Some of this stuff would be for spring, but I got it on sale at Old Town Pottery. That's why I got the spring stuff now as well. So this is everything. Some of this will be going back. Whatever doesn't work will be going back to the store. And so this is what I'm working with. So I'm not going to do a haul video because it would just be too much and too long. And I'm going to be going over the things that I keep anyway in the reveal video for the gazebo, the decor reveal for the gazebo. I shopped at Old Town Pottery, Dollar General, Michael's, Walmart. Let's see. I got a few things from Dollar Tree, Burlington's. Let's see. Seems like there was somewhere else. Oh, At Home. I think that's it. I did go to Home Buys, but I didn't get anything there. I didn't see anything at Home Buys, shockingly. So, yep, this is what I ended up getting from those stores. And Amazon, too. Amazon. So it's the middle of September or around about so when I'm putting out my fall decor, which really isn't that late because fall really didn't start until I think it was September 22nd this year. So I know some people put out their videos early, but I'll try to do that next time. For dinner, we had fried oyster mushrooms and mixed vegetables. Somebody said they taste just like fried chicken, and they do, y'all. I will be making these again. And this is me in my cleaning attire, y'all. Looking a hot mess, but hey, I'm in the house. So I am in the process of decluttering, y'all. So my drawer there, you see a whole bunch of bobby pins in there, but that drawer was just stuffed full of hair products, beauty products, and I couldn't do it no more. No more. So I am taking this time to declutter. And even though, the bathroom can look all nice and stuff, but y'all, that drawer was a hot mess. Hot mess express. So that had to go. All of that stuff. Well, just about all of it. That stuff I'm keeping. I'll just have to rearrange. I have a whole bunch of garbage in here. So, and then over on my dresser, it's time to declutter. I just threw away some stuff, but I want to throw away some more stuff. But I need all that stuff. So it's going to stay there for now. It's not messy. It's all the same stuff. It's perfumes, nail polishes, nail care stuff. And so it's okay. But I threw away a lot of polish and just different stuff. Yeah. So it's a cleaning day. So while I am cleaning today, I'm going to be listening to Reverend Terry K. Anderson. Y'all, oh my goodness, I love him. I love his messages. Not everybody's sermons and preaching is for everybody. You may like him, you may not, but he gets you together. And I absolutely love his preaching. Just like with anybody, you eat the fish and spit out the bones. But I absolutely love this Reverend Terry K. Anderson. And I think his church is Lily Grove. And I believe he's somewhere in Texas. So, but anyway, if you look him up on YouTube, there's plenty of his sermons. And I just absolutely love his preaching. I didn't do a formal devotional today, so I'm going to be listening to his sermons just for some spiritual enrichment, and I just enjoy it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm not going to bring y'all along for the cleaning because I have too much to do, and I need to do it quickly. So I'm going to be doing that, moving fast. I'm hungry. I changed my clothes, and my husband took me to Bubba Coo Burritos. We love Bubba Coo's. He got a taco salad that had fried cauliflower instead of a meat protein, and that's really good as a substitute. I got the Pineapple Express burrito. Oh, so good, y'all. I'm going to take you back just a few days ago when I told you I hadn't picked up the camera. This is what we were doing. We were putting up our gazebo. If you are new here and you have not seen any of my videos, I want you to go and watch the gazebo assembly video. I believe everybody should have an outdoor oasis, because sometimes you want to be outside but not outdoors, if you get what I mean. So click right here and go watch that video. Enjoy. Have a blessed week.